Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. It's time for the December 18th reveal of Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar. If you have the Advent calendar and haven't looked at the December 18th item, you may want to pause the video. I'm about to reveal it. So number 18 is on the left side at the bottom. Open up the window and there's no picture on the inside flap. We'll remove that white paper wrapping and it looks like we have a package of beautiful iridescent sequins in a lovely bluish purple color. For my card today, I'm switching up the pattern paper. This time I'm using Honeybee Stamps Grain and Grunge collection. Selected this lovely wood grain design. This is a very simple card design. I'll put ATG tape on the back and add my card front onto a card base. I love using cardstock layers for the background, but I won't be for this card since the sentiment I'll be using is quite large. I'm adding a hot foil sentiment that I did earlier in the year. I had a few extras, so I thought it would be perfect to use it up. The sentiment is from Spellbinders Glimmer Card Front Sentiment Collection. I cut it out using their Essential Stylish Oval dies. I used some lovely rainbow glimmer foil, and the sentiment is Best Wishes on Your Birthday. I'll layer the sentiment piece on a larger oval. I use some dark blue cardstock, put glue on the back, and add the oval on the front of my card. Underneath the sentiment, I'm adding a small present die cut, and this is from the December 1st item of the Advent calendar. It included a car and also the present that you could put on top of the car or use separately. Now I'll use the new sequins from today. Pour a small amount in a wooden bowl. And I do get quite a few questions about the small wooden bowls I use in my videos. These are custom made by my father. Currently he does not sell them. He has been making a few extra bowls when he has a chance. So at one point I may list them in my Etsy shop. I'll put 3 sequins in the upper right hand corner and 2 in the lower left hand corner. I'm using an embellishment wand to pick them up. I'll add a small drop of Barely Art glue, then press the sequins in place. Depending on how the light hits the sequins, sometimes they're blue and sometimes they're purple. So there is my finished card using the December 18th item from Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar. Be sure to come back tomorrow for the December 19th reveal and a card. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.